How to log in into Discover Bank online account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log in into your Discover Bank online account. So let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the discover.com. Next, click on the login button at the top right corner of your page. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the first field, then type your password in the second field. Make sure your details are correct and then check the orange login button. If your user ID and password are correct, you will be logged in into your Discover Bank online account. Now you can access your account information, check your balance and manage your finances easily. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Discover Bank online account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video.